Ipangtag lang sila, Bin. Wala na ako natag. Last na place din, Bin.
Mami, sitam daw.
Yan naman, tubog to. Hindi na, tubig na po.
Pakita sa nato si Daddy, be. Yan, diba? Wow, yak ni Kuya Ramram.
Yan.
Wala si Ramram, ay, mga best friend ni Eunice. Mami Lenny. Kitag sa Mami Kaon. Di ko kabalo. Agoy, Noy. Kanya? May wala. Invite, sige. You mentioned to me. Sila dua. Against galit? Okay na. Kita na.
Just one. Ala, wala. Nag-view silang mami. Ay, nanan. Hi, ma.
Sila silang kwarto na, sila Mika, at sila Ana.
Wala naman si Ana. Hi, mama. I-public jet. Kung saan man ipag-public di. May dili ma-public. Tarungang sipi, wala, sorry mi. Tarungang sipi, sorry.
Nagkarisod suri eh, Lara. Ha? Lara sila mami patanong nga sipi. Bigis ko kamay dito ba? Kadari gagi ang mag-face. Ay, hindi na. Dala magagi ang face. Dari man sila magagi. Siyempre, dala maglakay-lakay sila sa may last. Awa, dala ba ka? Dala gagi ang mga grand face.
Sa kumakain na si Jitwin eh.
Okay, sige, next. Next, iwawan sila mag-ulan. Okay,
Dapat yung mga platform na fish.
okay, next.
Dati, ano rin. Sila na wala.
Sa likod ka ni Ma'am Lord.
Hindi pa kung
Sa likod ka. Tikit ka ka Ma'am Lord.
dito ka sa likod niya po.
Kaya ko din sa...
Kana ba? Kana man. Kaya sila na camera yun. Grabe na sila kasi. Yan, wala akong pinakalas.
Wala pa. Mga babae
Wala
pa.
akong pinakalas.
Sila ka sa likod ni Ma'am Lord. Ayan, daraw kay darahagi ang mga...
Respect tayo sa Jennifer kung si Kuan, si Princess. Oh. Kami na kung buwan na siya ka ng kagod ba ba?
Nasya lang ganyan. Nanas, loko na dito sa Max.
Next time.
Dali na, kain na. Pag-awa kay si Chicken.
Ito ka, ipatulong sila din kay Mami ng picture na yun.
Azi, ilak Azi. Hala. Dugay gini si Chicken Road. Dali.
Bawa na lang mo, balag ko naman.
Oh! Hoy, ma'am! Nag-effort na rin ang nakita no.
Kuko! Ete!
Sir Fred.
Wala. Wala sila.
Wait na niya.
Ano yan ka, Mami?
Graduation and completion ceremony is a moment of celebration marking the culmination of an educational journey. It also signifies the start of a new chapter, one filled with challenges and uncertainties, yet brimming with opportunities for growth and the pursuit of a brighter future.
Today marks the culmination of countless years of dedication and unwavering pursuit of knowledge, a foundation that empowers the individuals to seize opportunities and face challenges with clarity, determination, and a sense of purpose.
On this 11th day of June in the year of our Lord 2025, we gather in the esteemed presence of our beloved graduating class, honored guests, parents, and friends, The 50th commencement exercises of Good Counsel High School with the theme Counselians Pilgrims of Hope is now officially open. To everyone present, we extend our warmest and most cordial welcome. Members of the grade 10 and grade 12 classes, esteemed guests, faculty and staff, alumni and friends, today we gather to witness another chapter of history as we close the school year 2024 to 2025. Over the past 10 months, we have watched the students rise to the challenge and prove their worth, earning their place as proud members of this year's batch.
We would like to extend our warmest greetings to everyone gracing this special occasion. To our school directress, Sister Teresita S. Samilan, MCM, our distinguished and esteemed members of the Good Counsel High School, led by the dynamic and supportive teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred B. Valdesco, our honored guests, barangay officials, members of the PTA, colleagues, parents, visitors, and friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant, welcoming, and joyous morning to each and every one of you.
May we kindly request everyone to remain standing for the invocation, which will be presented through an audio-visual presentation titled Indescribable. Following this, please continue standing for the national anthem conducted by Mr. George C. Altida and the Valencian League.
To the Father, to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Please be seated. Thank you so much, Mr. George C. Altita. It's always a pleasure to have the family and friends of Good Counsel High School students visiting our school. Welcoming you here to today's event, especially meaningful as we honor our graduates and completers to their achievement. To formally welcome us all, may I call on Ms. Jennifer V. Vicente, Senior High School, with high honors for her welcome address. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, distinguished faculty, honored guests, proud families, and our exceptional graduate students and completers of the school year 2025. Today we gather to celebrate their remarkable achievements and the culmination of our hard work and dedication. This moment is not just a conclusion, but a gateway to new beginnings filled with endless possibilities. To the graduate students, our commitment to our studies has been nothing short of inspiring. We have navigated challenges, engaged in critical thinking, and contributed to our fields with passion and innovation. Each of us has a unique story, and today we honor the diverse paths that have led us to this moment. To our completers, your achievements are equally commendable. You have demonstrated perseverance and determination, and your hard work has paved the way for future endeavors. Let us take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to our faculty and staff who have supported us throughout our academic journey. The guidance, encouragement, and dedication have been instrumental in shaping the leaders of tomorrow. To the families and friends who have provided unwavering support, your encouragement has been a vital part of our success. As we proceed with today's ceremony, let us reflect on the journeys that has brought us here and the bright futures that await us. The world is filled with opportunities, and we are excited to see the positive impact that will make in our communities and beyond. Congratulations to the class of 2025. Our future is bright, and we cannot wait to see where our journey takes us. Thank you, and let us commence this celebration.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vicente. That was indeed a very warm welcome to our guests today. And now, the main highlight of today's affair is about to unfold to our midst. Ladies and gentlemen, to honor our presenting this year's candidates for graduates, may we have on stage our school teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred B. Baldesco, to be followed right away by the acceptance and confirmation of the graduates by no less than our school directress, Sister Teresita S. Sahilan, MCM. A round of applause, please.
Good morning. To our school directress, Sister Teresita S. Sahilan, MCM, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Good Counsel High School Incorporated. This school year, 2024-2025, composed of 21 boys and 10 girls. I certify that these 31 candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements in the senior high school curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. Sister, we now await your confirmation.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sister.
By virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Good Counsel High School Incorporated, and by the Department of Education, and upon certification by the teacher in charge that you have satisfactorily fulfilled all the requirements prescribed for graduation, I hereby declare you graduates and grant you your corresponding diplomas and certificates with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Let us give a resounding round of applause to the graduates of Good Counsel High School Batch 2024 to 2025. Dear graduates, the moment you have eagerly awaited has finally arrived. Today marks the culmination of your dedication, perseverance, and discipline. It is a day to celebrate your success as you receive your diplomas, a true symbol of your accomplishment and hard work. At this juncture, may we kindly request the school directress to preside over this significant part of the ceremony. With her leadership, she will invite our esteemed guests to assist in the distribution of the diplomas. To maintain the solemnity of this occasion, we respectfully ask the audience to reserve their applause until the final graduate has received his or her diploma. Abesta Charlie Jr. N. Adino Angelo James F. Aludin Zonro E. Amba Johan Ray P. Aranay Ivan J. S. Bihomo Briggs C. Cadorna George Zachary S. Tagagab Ryan J. T. Gilan Sander F. Liba Daniel D. Marcos Ayan C. Mendoza Timothy Martin T. Momar Kevin S. Monyeske Lynn Gerald S. Paler Deljon D. Pastrano Benji C. Ricarian Mel P. Salmante Rudy Blanche III S. Saroka Benji Jr. F. Suerte Vince Andrew S. Abaa Precious Angel N. Agan Jasmine Rian N.
papicture din sila kung nadara. Dili si Romeo.
Begin Crystal Kid G. Copy Marichoy E. Fernandez Juliana Victoria G. Larisa Lorraine May R. Mortarillas Francis May M. Ramoso Jillian Rose D. Rigorial Risa Jin A. Salientes Quincy O. And Vicente Gentle Marie V.
Congratulations once again, graduates, on this remarkable milestone in your journey. It is often said that the quality of a person's life is directly tied to their commitment to the excellence, no matter the field of endeavor. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to honor the students who have gone above and beyond, turning ordinary efforts into extraordinary achievements. Now, let us proceed to the awarding of honors to recognize their outstanding accomplishment. With high honors, Ramoso Jillian D. She is also awarded Best in Religious Education, Best in Filipino, Journalist of the Year Award, and Loyalty Award.
Pwede makasalikod ni Ma'am Lo. Makasalikod ni Ma'am Lo.
With high honors, Vicente Jinfel V. She's awarded with Best in Mathematics, Best in Science, Best in Physical Education, also with a Leadership Award, Performer of the Year Award, and a Loyalty Award. I forgot also to mention, for Miss Ramoso Jillian D, she was also awarded Best in English, Best in Social Science, and also a Leadership Award. With honor, Abara Precious Angel N. She will also be receiving the Loyalty Award. With honor, Larisa Lorraine May R. She will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year Award and the Loyalty Award. With honor, Salientes Quincy O. She will be receiving the Leadership Award. With honor, Dino Angelo James F. He will be receiving also the Leadership Award and the Loyalty Award. We will also be giving a Leadership Award for Ricarial Romel P. And he will be also receiving a Loyalty Award. Another special recognition is given to Mobar Kevin X. He will be receiving a Service Award and a Loyalty Award. Another special recognition is given to Mendoza Timothy Martin T. He will be receiving a Server of the Altar Award and a Loyalty Award. Loyalty is a testament to dedication and commitment. Today, we will honor those who have remained steadfast and true to our institution. Let us recognize our loyalty awardees. Avesta Charlie Jr. N. Alfontin Jonro E.
Gyapon ug magduol ko dito kay mo.
Abal Johan Ray P. Aranay Ivan J. S. Kadurna George Zachary S. Kadagdag Ryan J. T. Gilan Zander M. Liba Daniel D. Marcos INC. Monyeske Clint Gerald N. Valer Mel John D. Pastrano Benje C. Samante Rudy Blas III S. Saruka Benji Jr. L. Suerte Benz Andrew L. Agan Jasmine Rian M. B.A. Crystal Kim G. Fernandez Juliana Victoria G. Mark Williams, Princess May F.
Oh, si Francis! Si Francis!
Lahat pa kayo, nag-ganyan sila oh. Ako na.
Oh, manjod! Saglit ako!
Di ba nagsikip na sila sa akin?
Sir, salamat ha!
Hindi nga nalang kung mag-graduate din naman din. Special special.
Yan na, di ka makita.
Lalo pang kapangarap.
Hindi na naman ko sa school ako. Kaso lang kayo sa ano.
Pwede ko.
Ako di ako naman, pero may apon ko sa
Sige, ako rin.
Di ba di araw ni mo ba yan sa mga activities?
Ito naman sa picture. Ay, ako na mawi, dala rin ko na yung
Thank you so much. This achievement is your ticket to reaching greater heights and chasing even bigger dreams. Embrace the future with confidence and determination. Let's give ourselves a well-deserved round of applause for a job truly well done.
Now, let us extend our heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of Batch 24-2025. At this pivotal moment, let us find inspiration and encouragement in the words of our esteemed guest speaker, who will be introduced to us by our teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred B. Valdes. A round of applause, please.
Good morning. This is the second time that I will introduce our guest speaker. Every time na mag-introduce ko o guest speaker, it's because they are my students. Good morning once again, beloved faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, our accomplished graduating class. Today is a day of celebration, of milestones achieved, and of futures brimming with potential. And for me, it holds an extra layer of significance as I have the distinct honor of introducing our guest speaker. You see, this remarkable individual was part of my first advisory class when I embarked my own journey as a teacher here at Good Counsel High School back in 2006. To witness her then as a bright and promising young student, and to now welcome her back as a successful professional fills my heart with immense pride. Our speaker is a proud alumna of this distinguished graduating class of 2007 of Good Counsel High School, a class I had the privilege of guiding. Even in her high school years, our speaker truly embodied the values we cherish here at Good Counsel High School. She was a consistent honor student, demonstrating her dedication to academic excellence. She also served with responsibility at the school as a school treasurer at the student body government, now SSG, showcasing her early leadership skills. Importantly, and in line with our school's commitment to faith, she was an active member of the Mother of Good Counsel Parish Youth Apostolate, highlighting her early commitment to her spiritual growth and community engagement. I vividly recall a moving exam I gave in my computer class, where I introduced them to the power of Microsoft Excel, even wrote my own college activity book to enrich their technology and livelihood education. Amidst challenging computation problems, there was one student who stood out, achieving a perfect score, and that student was our guest speaker. That moment, almost 19 years ago, solidified my impression of her as an exceptionally bright and capable individual. Her pursuit of knowledge and excellence led her to earn a Bachelor of Science in Commerce, majoring in Management Accounting in 2012, followed by a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from Central Mindanao University. Her commitment was further cemented by achieving the distinction of becoming a certified public accountant in 2014. Since then, our speaker has carved an impressive path, contributing her expertise as a junior auditor of a Cagayan de Oro-based audit firm, sharing her knowledge also as a faculty member of Central Mindanao University, and leading financial operations as the accounting manager for M. Montes Claros Hospitality Corporation. Currently, she excels as a senior audit analyst in an Australian-based company. To our guest speaker, to witness your journey from the sharp and confident in my computer class to the accomplished professional you are today is truly inspiring. Your story is a testament to the power of early talent nurtured at the height that dedication can reach. It is with immense personal pride, a touch of nostalgia, and profound respect that I present to you my former students and our esteemed alumna, Ms. Ivy Rose Pabe Bahian, CPA.
So good day everyone, especially to our school directress, Sister Teresita Sahilan MCM, to our teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred Bodesco. Thank you sir for having this opportunity to speak today. To all the faculty and staff of Good Counsel High School, parents, guardians, visitors, graduates, and completers, good morning. So our theme for today is Consilience, Pilgrims of Hope. It may sound great, but if we break it down, it simply means that all of us are on a journey, a pilgrimage.
Ikaw na musakat sa
Our guide in this journey
Uli na
is
dire.
hope. You know what? When I graduated high school, I was not able to go to college right away. Due to financial setbacks, and at that time, I've experienced a broken family. So I was a tambay for a year, and I was sent to CBO para magbantay sa kuang cousin na toddler. And also, naghatod-pod ko sa akong isa ka cousin na special needs sa ilang school. I was not discouraged actually. It makes me motivated na magpadayon yun ng eskwela hantod na makahuman ko ang college. Even in college days na ako, the struggle is real. Dinigin siya sa yun. Especially now, kamo, waging involved with struggles in life. The journey was not easy, but most importantly, I did not lose hope. Mogin na siya, kahit guide in this journey is hope, okay? But let me ask you, where do we place our hope? Do we rely on luck? Muto ba ta ng swerte-swerte? Like swerte ang gina siya, kaya nakatrabaho na, nakatsada ka ng successful sa iyang life, tungkol kay swerte ang gina siya. Do you believe in that? Or do we rely in our hard work and determination? I obtained my CPA license in the year 2014. And I'll tell you, it's not because of luck. Believe yun tungkol kay swerte ko. It's the result of my hard work and faith sa Ginoo. Ang among study habit during that times of review, mag-study mi buntag hangtod sa buntag. Dili lang buntag hangtod sa gabi. Binuntagay na study. But of course, dili na siya know, hindi na siya dito pa kayo everyday. But most of the time, grabe yun ang sakripisyo. If you want to achieve something, kailangan ka mo sakripisyo. Okay? So as Filipinos, being hopeful is in our nature. Even in the middle of storms, you'll hear a Filipino say, "This too shall pass." Even after failing, get up and say, "It's okay, I'll try again." Because during college, napagsakot ko. So, it's all about tears and sweat. Akong sakripisyo na ko. Dili na, kanang smooth sailing lang. Napagsak ko, wala ko nakagraduate ko accountancy. I graduated another course, but I persisted. Nag-proceed ko accountancy after working for 1 year. So nakagraduate ko and obtained that license. Because there's a spark of hope sa akong heart na ma-achieve na ko na nga goal. And that is why I take action. So my dear students, whatever challenges you're facing right now, hold on. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We are all in this together. We have our guides, and hope will always be in our hearts. Embrace challenges and work towards achieving your dreams. Looking back, I realized that the most meaningful moments were not when I reached the finish line, but the steps I took to get there. Truly, life is a journey, not a destination. So don't get rushed to get to the next milestone. Embrace where you are right now because every step matters. It's about learning and growth and the people we meet along the way, not just the end goal. So let me end this with a quote from Mother Teresa. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin. Congratulations and happy graduation, dear Consilians.
Thank you, my girls, Fabi, Bahia, and CPA, for that meaningful and inspiring speech. May we kindly invite you to come to the center stage to receive a token of appreciation, which will be presented by our TIC. Let me read the citation. In grateful recognition of her invaluable contribution as guest speaker during the completion and graduation ceremony held on April 11, 2025 at the Good Counsel Parish Covered Court, Puropres, Mailag, Valencia City, in celebration of the theme, Consilian Pilgrims of Hope. Her generous sharing of knowledge and professional expertise has significantly inspired and reached the minds of our learners. Given this 11th day of April 2025 at Good Counsel High School Incorporated. Signed by Mr. Wilfred D. Valdesco and Sister Teresita S. Salan, MCM, our school directress. Once again, our heartfelt thanks to Mom Ivy for gracing us with your presence today. And now, as they say, music is the expression of the soul to touch our hearts and inspire us to believe in ourselves amidst life challenges. Let us listen to the graduation song of the graduates and completers entitled Onwards, Pilgrims of Hope.
Siyempre. Ang cellphone.
Pwede ko kumato dito sa kubangan dito kay wala. Dito ka mag-lingkod.
Pwede ba? Ay, dira ko sa yung bangko ni Jean.
Dito nga, pet sa tunga-tunga. Sige na, go na.
Hawid daw. Lakolo. Hawid daw ang cellphone. Mag-video ko.
Kunsa man makawi na naka.
Di ka ka.
Kunsa man yato sa tumakan.
Kay. Dito. Saba. Bis, tanabi. Ikaw magkuhan na ba? Dito makilingkod. Direct.
Para si Ate Jenfel. Ako'y show si Ate Jenfel. Ay, wait. Tara, oh. Kana, oh. Kana ikaduha, ay. Si Princess. Tara, oh. Abi, kaya mong daddy.
Gagagagag, gastik, yun akong
Naka-stipnik ko, mami. Nagtit siya diri dayon mo.
Pagtulog sa ito at tag-ilit na sa pagtulog.
May hamupag ka, sir. Pwede, kasi bantis ba po?
The supportive daddy.
That was an astounding performance, both in delivery and melody.
Oh, back to you guys. Dire kabita pag sa oven naman.
And now, let us proceed to the next part of our culmination ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to honor our remarkable junior high school students who have successfully completed this significant milestone in their educational journey. Each of them has demonstrated resilience, perseverance, and an unrelenting thirst for knowledge that will undoubtedly guide them to future success. To formally present the candidates for completion, may we once again call on our teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred B. Valdesco. He will introduce them to our esteemed school directress, Sister Teresita S. Sailan, MCN.
Sister Teresita Usahilan NCM, as the teacher in charge of Good Counsel High School Incorporated, I have the honor to present to you 17 boys and 20 girls, candidates for completion. I certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for completion as prescribed by the Department of Education under the Junior High School curriculum. Sister, I now submit them for your confirmation.
By virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Good Counsel High School Incorporated and by the Department of Education, and upon certification by the teacher in charge, that you have satisfactorily fulfilled all the requirements prescribed for the K-12 Junior High School curriculum. I hereby declare you completers and grant you your corresponding certificates of completion with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Please be seated. And now let us give a warm round of applause to the completers of Batch 2025 from Good Counsel High School. Today marks a significant milestone in their academic journey, a moment to celebrate their hard work and dedication. At this juncture, the completers will receive their certificates of completion. To preside over the special part of the ceremony, may we call on our esteemed school director, Sister Teresita S. Sahilan, MCM, together with our teacher in charge, Mr. Wilfred B. Valdesco, and our guests, and especially our grade 10 class advisor, Mr. Paul Jeric E. Bono, who will assist in the distribution of the certificate. Now to start with, Alugo, Jairus, Ralph M. Cabana, John, Kenneth L.
Pero kato na is dua si
Happy, Kurt, Ryan A. Cornelia, Terence C. Yakuma Darrell P. It's Sevilla Louis Kurt Q. Idiong Emmanuel V. Esteban Bonet D.
Quezon, Isaac Carl A. Mantos, Jamar P. Otsuma, Edson Ray P. Bahailio, Carl Aaron P. Coco, Jayward D. Rama, Jason B. Reyes, Keith Paulo A. Sukda, J. Tumbo, Owen Sky P. Adino, Zaira, Isabel F. Almadin, Princess Abigail M. Bacalso, Jiraiya G. Valorio, Kyla T. Estudio, Krize B. Gutiérrez, April Christine B. Bulawan, Nadine Trixie Marie S. Bulawan, Christian A. Puyos, Jillian H. Diakuma Krisa Jane A. Escarlan, Rhea May R. Lariosa, J. Sylvie Q. Limukon, Lalita F. Mavana, Benjamin Rose A. Nilo Mala F. Mumar K.S. Rasani Anel. Betty Angela D. Villamor Aznaira D. And Yamit Larame A.
Kapag ito isa ka friend nila.
Congratulations, competitors. And now, we gather to honor and celebrate those who have excelled and demonstrated unwavering perseverance in their studies. Without further ado, let us proceed to the awarding of honors.
Oy, awarding of honors na Mami Mimi.
With honor, Yamin Lara May A.
Sa grade 10 pa diya is prank.
She also received Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in Math, Catalyst of the Year, Performer of the Year, and Loyalty Award.
Uy, mahal ang buti. Dili na 100. Katura, garland ra ganito mo yung 100.
Another with honor, Almadin Princess Abigail M. She will receive Best in Values Education, Leadership Award, Catechist of the Year, Server of the Hour, and Loyalty Award.
Sorry, eskwela-eskwela. Raman gud mi ba sulod eskwelahan.
With honor, Bacaso Jamaica G. Best in English, Best in Filipino, Best in Aralin Panlipunan, and Loyalty Award.
Balin ako good consent ba?
With honor, Budyas April Christine B. Catechist of the Year, Server of the Hour, Journalist of the Year, Performer of the Year, and Loyalty Award.
Wala na si Jillian.
With honor, Momar K.S. Best in TLE, Catechist of the Year, Server of the Hour, and Loyalty Award.
Wala ako award.
With honor, Lariosa J. Q. Loyalty Award.
Nakabit ba yun?
Uy, naunang award si Kuya Ram.
With honor, Limon Lapita S. She will also receive Performer of the Year and Loyalty Award.
Asa ka?
Da Ate Mika.
Another with honor, Willamon Claudine Brixie Marie S. With Loyalty Award. Adino Zaira Isabel F. Catechist of the Year and Loyalty Award.
Si Marit o si Uncle Silving.
Performer of the Year is Carlan Rhea May R. And another Performer of the Year, Parillo Carl Aaron D.
Ate ako ang buko natin.
Samantha.
Nanambok na lang ang bibi na.
Samantha Grace Parillo.
Grade 9 na. Paubos, di ba? Dili na, di ba? Dili na na. Ate, pwede na siguro kaya na ganun. Tanong, video. Bali kayo mag-video dan mag-lecture.
Congratulations on your incredible achievement. It is with great pride that we will recognize our Loyalty Awards. To start with Alubo Jairus Ralph M. Cabana Jacanet L.
Ay, kuhaan ko yung loyalty award.
Cornelia Darren C.
Unsa kaya na akong ihatanan?
Giacomo Darren Jaylor
Ano sa kularit dyan, good mo na nga niyo ba? Picture at
Rama Jason B.
Ano sa nato si daddy dito?
Reyes King Paulo A.
Karam daddy oh. Para ay excited.
Sunda J. J.
Wala kang
Tonga Owen Sky T. Valorno Kyla T.
wala ko kita karang from.
Pwede naman siguro doon yung mga gamot yung gamiton. Kanihan sa wala.
Estonia Riza D.
Kasi ilang doon na lang ulit.
Walaman Christian A.
Oh, nag-congrats si mami sa ako.
Michael Aliano School. Dahil congratulations. Uy, congrats ang mga kuwan. Camera girls.
Kabanan Angel Ray Girls A. Mino Myla S. Krasani Anel. Betty Angela D.
Okay, wala ka lipstick. Wala ka lipstick na lang.
At this point in our program, let us take the opportunity to recognize the outstanding students among our undergraduates. We will begin with grade 11, followed by the grade 9, grade 8, and grade 7. May we kindly request our school directors, our teacher in charge, and our guests to please remain on the stage to present the awards.
Na, kompleto yun ang tatami.
Let's start with grade 11, with honors. Parents, Angel Rose G.
May ayaw mo gawa kay tawagon na sila Eunice of Sirama.
Bangkil, Emmanuel A. Bangkalso, Angel May G. She will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year Award.
Sihan.
Another with honors, Ministerio, Cindy Amor T. Captain, Krisa D.
Picture ko kay Hana.
The studio, Prince Alvin D. He will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year Award.
Kaya pagkakaon.
Sub Johannes C. Villia, John Francis O. Mula, Ria Jules B. Cabentes, Valerie B. She will also be receiving the Performer of the Year Award. Manlapit, Jamael M. Navarro, Reniel B. Congratulations, grade 11 with honors. Now let's move on to grade 9 with high honors. Valdesco, Fiona Joy T. She will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year award. With honors, Bagaras Kirsten Daniel B. De Leon Nicole M. Rama Nika Grace R. De Vera Sarah Miguel O.
Kami na bumbero lang siya.
We will also be giving a special recognition to Escarlet Chloe R. You will be receiving the Performer of the Year award. Congratulations, grade 9 student. Now let's move on to the grade 8.
Grade 7 na dayon ko yung mga 7 diyan sa kuwan mo eh. Mangan grade ah. Grade 8 na.
Pag makakuha na magana.
Jurubi ang kuwan.
Unsa? Unsa? Nagdoon si Dayo. Picture pa yami ah. Ala, napil man dahil ko dito. Mikaela tawag sa akin.
She will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year award.
Uy, mga maritis daw eh. Si kuwan.
Ay, natunggan eh mo, me.
With honors, Salagantine Chloe Monet C. Chapin Stephanie A.
Mami.
She will also be receiving the Journalist of the Year award.
Pati man ang makilay.
Almadin Elizabeth M.
Silang Yunis na. Uy, mato na may sa tubangan ay.
Captain Cyril J. Q.
Dapat kumang...
Julia Shirley May B. Aseniero Shahana Nicole.
Ora si Ate Yunis, si Daddy.
Fidelia Sia Mr. C. Joaquin Jamaica Joseph C. Saviliana Peru K. E. And Shannon Ivy Claire T. We will also be giving the Performer of the Year award to Espinia Divine Dale Ed. grade 7. With honor, Ventura Eunice RC. Dixon Ira Ariana C. Buray Mariel.
Okay.
Secreto Maria Teresa C.
Mora.
And last but not least, Albertine Christian King A. Congratulations, grade 7 student.
O yung mana dahil no?
May distance. May distance. Nagkamay na lang mo.
Congratulations, dear students. Each award you receive today is a testament to your hard work and dedication. You truly deserve this recognition.
Mami, umana silang Ate Jenfel. Ganina silang
Let us
pinakauna.
celebrate their achievements with a
Unya, pag
resounding round of applause.
ending live, review na lang may. I-end na? Ang bibigay chatan? Ayun.
Sportsmanship,
Wala na.
perseverance,
Wala yung
and an unwavering
Tawagan daw siya kayo magpapas,
dedication.
no?
These are the qualities that define a true athlete. This day, we will recognize the Athlete of the Year. To start with, Agar Jasmine Rian M. NM Ra'a 2025 Arnes Silver Medalist.
Kung kanina pa di ay? Mga special, ay athlete ra?
Bakir Kayla
18 naman siya. 18.
NM Ra'a 2025 Athletics 4x1 gold medalist and 4x4 bronze medalist.
Ginoo ko mahal kayang mga garland tag 250 ug ang bouquet din kay 150 ang isa.
Salamantin Chloe Bonet
100 ang garland.
Buwak Sport Fest and badminton singles gold medalist.
Sige na, amo naman ibaligya pag naman na sila. Lara si Kuano, Ate Jenfel ni kaning pinakalas. Katong medyo nakabukos-bukos si Princess na waterball. O, tara, nagchika silang dua.
Valencia Siemens Artist
Nagchika sila dua.
silver medalist. Dopidas Liza L. Sivipap Sanga Artist gold medalist.
Tara si Ate Jenfel, nang chika siyang classmate o, walang sabang picture o. Wala siya, tinawag na Marites. Tara o.
Sivipap Sanga Artist bronze medalist. Ni Carlos Mayhart T. Valencia City Meet Artist silver medalist. Alsaba Reniel S. Silvi Babsa Artist
Mga friends
gold
ni Eunice o.
medalist. Aranay Gerald John S. Silvi Babsa Artist bronze medalist.
Friend ni Eunice.
Momar Kevin S. Valencia City Meet silver medal.
Revilia Troy V. Sige Baksa.
Alaw, anak na. Mura dyan na siya, anak ko grade siya, ha, Jenfel. Gani. Wow, yun yan sa Mount Sur.
Best Andrew S.
Anak ko po. Kung sa lugar daw. Kung sa lugar, Jamaica din eh.
Silver medalist. Recarial Romel P. Buwak Sports Fest Athletics bronze medalist. Alvin Zia E. Buwak Sports Fest Athletics bronze medalist. Sivibab Saha, gold medalist also. Banfil Cassandra Luzelle S. Buak Sports Fest, Sivibab Saha, gold medalist. And Buak Sports Fest, bronze medalist. Abilianida Joseph B. Buak Sports Fest, athletics, bronze medalist, and Sivibab Saha, gold medalist. Solid Ivory Clear, Buak